If you want to learn how to import in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the two easiest ways to bring files into Photopea, whether you want to add something to an existing project or open a file as a brand new workspace. This is a super useful skill for editing photos, adding graphics, working with PSD files, and speeding up your workflow. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photopea tutorials. Let's get started. First, let's talk about importing a file onto your active canvas. This is the method you'll use when you already have a project open and you want to add an image, logo, photo, or graphic on top of it. The fastest way to do this is with drag and drop. Just find the file on your computer, click and hold it, then drag it directly into your Photopea canvas and release it. Photopea will place the file into your current project as a new layer, which makes it easy to move, resize, and edit. Another way to do the same thing is through the menu. At the top of Photopea, click File, then choose Open and Place. After that, select the file you want to add. Photopea will place it into your current document as a smart object layer. That means the imported file stays editable, which is really helpful if you want to scale it without losing quality or make adjustments later. Now, let's move to the second method, which is opening a file as a brand new project. This is the option you want when you're working with a whole PSD file, an image, a GIF, or even a video file, and you want it to open in its own separate workspace tab. The quickest shortcut here is Ctrl+O on Windows or Command+O on Mac. Once you press that, your file browser will open and you can choose the file you want to load into Photopea. You can also do this from the menu by clicking File, then Open, and then selecting your file. This opens the file as its own document instead of placing it into an existing canvas. It's the best choice if you want to edit the file on its own, preserve its original layout, or start a completely new project from that file. There's also a third simple method that many beginners forget about. If you haven't opened a canvas yet and you're sitting on the empty Photopea start screen, you can drag a file right onto the empty middle area of Photopea. As soon as you drop it there, Photopea will open it as a new document. This is a really fast way to get started without clicking through menus. So to recap, if you want to add a file into an existing design, use drag and drop or file, open and place. If you want to open a file as a new standalone project, use Ctrl or Command+O, the file, open menu, or drag the file onto the empty start area. Once you understand these import methods, working in Photopea becomes much faster and much easier. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step editing videos, and let me know in the comments what Photopea feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.